Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Julia. You are now tuned in to Makeup Time with Julia. In today's video, we are going to do a tutorial / review on this eyeshadow palette. When I did unboxing, this was one of the, I got 3 eyeshadow palette from Revolution Pro, and this is one of them. And yeah, today we're just gonna put this palette into test. As you can see, we have 18 shades going on here, and this palette is from Revolution Pro, cruelty free and all. It's called Fierce Wild Animal Palette. All right guys, so the first thing I'm just gonna do is prime my eyes with P. Louise base, of course, the Revolution eye primer. I don't know where. Okay, so the first shade I am going to use is going to be this shade here. They haven't got name. I hope the camera is picking it. So I'm gonna start with this shade. I'm just gonna pack this shade my outer V. Go in with is gonna be this shade here. Gonna go in now with this shade. I'm not blending, guys. I'm not blending at all because I just want everything. Want it to be intense, if you know what I mean. The next shade I am going to go in with, it will be this very shade here. I'm gonna go back in with this brush, then back in with this very shade. Apply a bit more of this very shade, which is this one. I'm gonna apply a bit more. So I'll just put tiny bit of P. Louise base back in my hand. Okay, at this point I'll use my hand mirror, I guess. Just take a bit. Just gonna stamp it here. Look up. That's where we're gonna cut. Yeah, that's that cut now. And I've cut my crease. I'm gonna go back in with this shade, this very one here. Started with earlier on. I'm just gonna make sure I blend this area together. We don't want any harsh line. Okay, now that is done, I am going to go in with this shade, this very shade here. Backing with the very shade here, this shade. I will blend this area together. Okay, then I will go back in now with the shade I started with earlier on, which is this very one. To start with, I'll use this very one here. I'll use this very one, which is a Massimo. I will just do my waterline. I go in with this shade for my bottom lash. I'll go in with this shade. Another brush. I'm terrible, aren't I? Firstly, I'm just stamping it in to get, you know, high maximum of pigment. But I'm not satisfied. I feel like going in with this red I have put on my lid, or this other one. I feel like going in with either this very shade or this very shade, but I might need to use a different brush because sometimes you find some surprises. So I'll use a different brush. I'll go in with this shade. I'll go in with this very one here because I'm not satisfied with that. If this one is not sharp enough, I will apply a bit more of the other one. To blend this area together. So I'll go in with the shade I used earlier on to make sure this area is kind of joined. Yeah, kind of stretching it down now because I want a joint situation around here. I don't want a line of marcation. Yeah, I think joining it together it make more sense. This area, I want it to be joined together. All right, that is one eye done. I'm going to do the other eye off camera. Then I will come back and do. Right, so you're gonna follow me while I will use this very highlighter and contour. Okay guys, so I will see you on the other side. Okay guys, so the office is done now off camera and I have put my lashes on. Jackie is what I used today, and as you can see, because I'm also doing this for Instagram as well, I have done this side, you know, to save us time on this other side. So this is what we're gonna experiment today. Yeah, my first impression was wow when I used it first time, and this side is contour. It's really good and it's really pigmented. So and this other side is the highlighter. Guys, check this out. You can see this side now. I got something going already. You see that? So I can take it a bit to give me that glass skin. Guys, see that? It's gorgeous. The highlighter is truly gorgeous. I'm gonna quickly do my blush. Just use my finger on the. I'll apply a bit more after. Oh my days, I think I have taken too much. Oops. I'll quickly do my blush. I'm using NYX for my ooh. Inner corner. Oh, I'm leaning towards this yellow. What do you think, guys? Yeah, let's do it. I'm not satisfied with that yellow only. I'll go add a bit of this. But the yellow make it quite unique, but Julia is just not satisfied. What we call the final look, guys. What do you think of this look I put together today? I like it. I like me. So this is now my final look. Check me out, guys, with my big hair, my big earring. Check me out. By the way, this earring, it cost me £3. Got it from a Select in town. £3 it cost me. I truly like this earring. On this video, I'm gonna try and leave the link below of their website, just in case if you fancy this earring. So my thoughts on this very palette. As you can see, the palette is very pigmented, guys. If you fancy this palette, there are many shades you can use. There are many, look you can create with this palette. Yeah, if you fancy it and you want to go and get yours, you can get it from Revolution website. Also, is also available in Superdrug. I'm sure it will be available now in Superdrug. I hope you like this video as I do. I truly like it. Looking at myself in mirror, I'm looking like, oh my days, looking like $1 million girl right now. I like this look that I put together. And yes, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to also follow me on Instagram. It's at Makeup in Time with Julia. We also have Facebook page. All right now, and I shall see you on my very next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.